Hi guys, today I'm doing an unboxing video of Fabme night suits which I have bought from Amazon. This package contains 2 night suits. Let's open it. It costs 420 rupees each. Both are made of satin fabric. One is plain suit and the other one is printed. This is what I have ordered. You can see the product I received exactly matches with the image. Let me show you the other one also. It is also same as shown in the picture. The fabric is also nice. The size and fitting are also quite good. When coming to the stitching part, in some places it is loosely stitched. Other than that, everything is fine. If you want to buy these, you can check the description box for the product links. Hope you guys like this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.